Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new to my channel, extra special welcome to you as always. We do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Birchbox. Now this is a monthly beauty subscription box that I do personally pay for. I also customize my box every single month as well. So I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to show you guys all of the choices that I made for mine. As always, if you're interested in getting this subscription, I will have details down below. Now this box in July was a very hot month, you guys, and honestly, I was a little bit confused by it because, as always, I just show you the subscriptions that I have. This is a box that I pay for, and because I am a reoccurring member, I am able to customize at the very beginning part of the month. Customization opens up on the first of every month for Birchbox. Now, I go in and customize ASAP right away, and I will make my choices. Once you customize, it locks in those choices, and you're no longer able to see what's even available. So I'm not able to go in and change my choices later. Once it's locked, that's it. I'm no longer able to access that form. So the issue came up last month in July is I showed you guys what I had in my box, which was a very hot product. We had Sunday Riley in there. I was ecstatic because I'm like, hey, look at this, you guys, look at what I got. And the problem arose that when a lot of my subscribers tried to sign up for the July box, that was no longer an option to receive for your box. And I don't know Birchbox's inventory. I don't know what they have available. I don't know what's left over. My hunch, and I still assume to this day, is all existing members chose that product right away when customization opened. So when my box went up, it was about the middle of the month, and by that point they had already sold out. I wish Birchbox would allow you to see what is available for customization when you want to sign up, but they don't do it like that. You have to sign up first and then you're allowed to customize after that. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I chose for my August box. And just as a reminder, this is what I customized at the beginning of the month. So nothing was sold out when I customized. These choices could be sold out now if you were to sign up. And I can't make any guarantees that these products are still going to be there. I have no idea what Birchbox has for inventory. I'm simply just showing you guys what I paid and what I customized. So having said that, if you are interested in purchasing this box, I do have a link down below. I do have a $10 off discount code as well. So you guys are able to save a little bit of money off of your first box. Now this subscription, I have had a very long time, you guys. I've kind of paused and canceled over the years, but I think I've had it for like 4 or 5 years now. Right now, Birchbox is allowing you to customize your entire box, which I personally love. They're also allowing you to choose full-size products if you want. Now, you'll notice when you customize your box, it will tell you sample, it will say full size, it will say travel size. So you can make those choices based off of if you want that item or not. So this is what my August box looks like. So first item that I chose for my box is from Paul Mitchell. This is the Bond RX treatment, and it is a 5-ounce product. I believe this is a full-size product, if I remember correctly. I think this was full size. This one is supposed to deeply nourish your hair and protect it. So it is a bond treatment process. So typically with this kind of a product, I wouldn't use it every day. I would use it as needed, maybe once or twice a week, just to strengthen your hair strands. Now this is a conditioner product, so it will also give deep hydration to your hair. It mentions that this deep treatment will transform chemically treated and damaged hair. It will make your hair feel softer, healthier, and more manageable. They recommend to apply this onto clean, damp hair, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse afterwards. The next item that I went with is kind of a no-brainer, you guys. So this is from Earth Harbor. I just love their products. And every time I see this brand in choices, I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm going with. Like, it doesn't matter what box it is. I always go with the Earth Harbor option. So this is the Seaweed Hydration Mist. It is 20 ml of product, or their Tidal Rose Spray. This will help to soothe, hydrate, refresh, and tone your skin. So it can be used as a makeup setting spray. So after you apply all your makeup, you can spritz this on. It will lock in your makeup. I will tell you from a reviewing aspect, I don't think it does that great of a job at setting anything. I do think it is a great refreshing pick-me-up. I think it's a great cooling effect. I do think it works as a great natural toner as well. But in terms of holding your makeup as a setting spray, it's not my favorite. There are definitely better ones out there for that. So this is an all-natural, cruelty-free, and vegan product, primarily having rose inside of this. So you can kind of see that pink tint on there. So if you're looking for a refreshing pick-me-up, or like I said, you want a natural toner, I do recommend this. But in terms of a setting spray, I think they're a bit reaching for that product. Of course, that's not Birchbox's fault. That's the way it's advertised by Earth Harbor. So for Birchbox, I think this is great that this was a choice option. And like I said, I stole this immediately. Now, I also went with a palette this month, and I will say, Birchbox doesn't offer a lot of makeup options. I mean, they have some, but they do a lot more with skincare and hair care products. So this palette is completely sealed, and I'm not even sure, I don't remember. This may not even be eyeshadow. It may be a face palette. I can't remember, you guys. So we're just gonna open it up here. It's from the brand Duce or Duce. I never know how to pronounce this, but I am familiar with this brand. So for our palette, we do not have a mirror, but we do have eyeshadows down below. This is cute. Now, I actually think this one could be a highlighter, and we have a blush up here. I think these four over here are going to be your eyeshadows. I could be wrong about this, but these look like a blush highlighter eyeshadow combo. So I think it's kind of nice. You get a full face palette here. I also went with a product from Philip Kingsley. This is a 5-in-1 hair treatment product. So it's called the Elastistyler, which is a multitasking styler that is supposed to work for all hair types. Now, this is a travel size. This is a brand that I have used several times before. What I like about this product is you can style your hair. So if you want your curls to go all in one direction, you can use that, add the curl, and it will keep it that way for longer periods of time throughout the day. I only use this pretty much for curls, but I'm sure you could do a lot of different styling techniques with it. But, you know, like I said, that's just the way that I use it. But there is quite a bit in here. It's 40 mil. Next item that I went with for my box is from Balance Me. This is the BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. So it's 30 mil or 1 ounce that we have here in this bottle. This is a travel size version. This exfoliator will have those beta hydroxy acids in them. So what's nice is they break down texture. So if you have any bumps or anything that you really want to get rid of, this will help to break that away. And it's going to be a little bit softer for your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, usually BHAs will be something that will be okay for you. I always recommend do a test area first before doing your entire face. But this one says that it's going to be featuring salicylic acid inside of this. This will help to remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration. The idea is if you're cleansing, getting rid of anything that's trapped in your pores, it will allow your skin to absorb hydration better. So we have 5 products, and I have a 6th product inside of my box. This is another thing that I kind of like about this box now is years ago, you were only allowed 5 products. And then a couple of years ago, they allowed you to turn in, like you could redeem 3 of your, like, I think it was 3, maybe it was 4 even, but you could turn in like 3 of your sample products for 1 full-size product. So you were able to, you know what I mean, make exchanges. Now, I can get 6 products and they can be full-size, they can be travel, or they can be sample as well. So I feel like this subscription has gotten better because of that. I've seen them make those changes. So this is from Byro, New York, and this product is their Bitter Green Essence Toner. Man, I went with a lot of toners this month. I didn't even realize that. So this will be a sample size, but this is a skincare product. Great brand. I have used this in the past as well, so I will 100% use this. You'll just dab this onto like a cotton pad and use it after you've cleansed, and then you'll be able to clean out those pores a little bit more. Toners are great at evening out your skin tone as well, so it's a really great process. Never skip toning, you guys. But if you want a recommendation, I do like this one a lot, and it is safe for sensitive skin. So that is everything inside of my Birchbox for August 2024. On a personal level, I love my box, but I also customized every one of these, so I should love my box. But from a reviewing aspect, I'm thrilled with this because, like I said, the fact that you're able to get a mixture of sizes, I like the brands that I'm seeing in here. I like that we had a little bit of makeup. That was different this month as well, so I thought that was great. And I have found, because I've been customizing this box now for a few months in a row, they've always had different choices for me. So whenever I log in on the first, there's a lot of options, and I'm not seeing repeats month after month after month. So like this Paul Mitchell, I saw it in August. I've already customized for September, and this was not an option for me for September. So I do like that they are keeping it fresh as well, and I really like the brands that I'm seeing. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!